Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Gertech Designer. So thank you for the support that we are still bringing towards this channel. We are road to 2,500 subscriber. If you are a new subscriber, kindly make sure of subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, so that you'll be having a lot of video constructional knowledge according to maybe if you want to build a house or something, provided is in terms of general construction, you can have it here on this page of which is Gertech Designer. So if you are there, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate my returning subscriber for the kind of work that they are doing on this particular page. So here I'm standing here. This is a 3-bedroom house. I think I've not yet posted the video since we done. I think it was on wall plate. So today it's on day 2 of doing this particular roofing. As you can see, the way the structure, the way the woodwork is ongoing, as you can see on the background, the woodwork, it's I think in terms of woodwork is almost 50% of our work. The way as per the work it has been done for 2 days. So we have put 4 days for woodwork, and then the other 2 days it will be for the iron sheet, so of which it will take almost 7 days or 6 to 7 days, God willing. So I'm going to give you a tour, and then if you have a work there, you can kindly give us or for you to reach us, you can get us through our number. It's 0746289667 0746289667. And then I think I can give a quotation for this particular roofing. So starting with the timber, we had 4x2, of which we had wrote almost 4,000 feet. 3x2 we had wrote 4,000 feet. Fisher board we had wrote 320 feet. Nails, of which 4-inch one bag, of which is 50 kg, and then 6-inch it was 20 kg, 5-inch it was 20 kg. Wood preservative, it was 20 liters by 12 of 12 pieces. Rubber packets, it was 50 packets. And then turpentine, so that we'll be having to mix with because this is for black, we have to mix with the turpentine, so that to achieve that strongness. And then there's that white, there's a glossy, of which we are going to do it on a Fisher board. So I'm going to give you the house tour, and then I show you the aerial view of our house, the way is it as per now. So where I'm standing here, this is our balcony, as you can see here, and then you can see if you raise that particular, so I think we can come and show them so that they can see the kind of the support that is going to hold the iron sheet that will be on this particular corridor, on this particular balcony. So you can see that is the main king post that will be used to support on this particular corridor. So you can see the woodwork is well done. I think the only that one, I think it's almost the touches that is only remaining. And then you can see this is now our timber, is of which this one is 4x2. The 4x2, the way you can see, they have been used to make those king posts, so that to hold it to be at least a bit strong to support our house. And then this was our corridor, and then on the other end you can see we have got our sitting room, of which this sitting room, you can see it's full of these 3x2 that are going to use for it to hold for the iron sheet, for it to hold our iron sheet at the top of this particular house. So you can see this is the sitting room, and then we have got our dining room, of which is quite here, even though it's not yet much big, but according to the plan, this one, it will be accommodating our clients, visitors, and even whenever they want to have a dinner. And then on the other end, so let me give you a tour first, and then I'll have to go upward, so that you can see that the progress. So here we have this a corridor that leads us towards, this is now our master bedroom. The way you can see, it's quite big. The windows, I think I forgot to show you the video, the window of the sitting room, of which you can see is of same size like this one. We went with this particular design or size due to we want to have enough air circulation here and light concentration whenever anyone will be using this particular room. And then there are two, so there's another one there and the other one is there. And then here, the space that you can see here, we have leave it for our wardrobes, the walk-in closet that we'll have to install it here. So if you will be our returning subscriber, so if you are a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe, so that I will be giving out the house tour of this particular house. Since today up to the last day, you'll be seeing this particular progress from day one, of which I've been posting this video from day one up to the last day. And then you can show them there's a space here that I've lived, that you can see that is here. We have left it. We are going to have a very big mirror that will be starting from here going up there, so that our client to have that clear vision. Because let's say they have a dressing mirror, of which you can see there's those mirror, it's almost picking them halfway. So we had advised my client to have this particular portion here, so that you can have a full mirror, so that you can see him or herself full. And then here on the other end, we have got this is now our master toilet, of which master is ensuite. So you can see the kind of space that is here. You can see I'm holding here like so, meaning that this toilet is quite enough spacious to accommodate both a toilet and a shower. So as I goes on, this is the bedroom one, of which the bedroom one, you can call it kids bedroom or bedroom one or visitors bedroom. And then on the other end here, on the other hand, this is our bedroom 2. This is bedroom 2. And then here we have got our kitchen. So this is the kitchen. The way you can see, quite spacious enough. You can see there's a store there. There's a walkway that leads us towards outside this particular entity, and then there's a corridor there. So let's go upward so that I can show you. You can see the progress, of which is only day 2, but the progress is something that one can see. That one can see. So if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly go on YouTube, or you can go on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. We are called Gartech Design. We are called Gartech Design. So I'm climbing up so that to show you the progress. So you can see the kind of work that has been done onto this particular space. Sorry, imagine I'm risking my life to come up to this particular end, so that I can give you out this particular content, so that you can see, so that if you are our loyal subscriber, or you have any work, so that you can see how we are committed to bring you this particular content, so that at least to educate you, if you maybe have a thought of building a house, you can know that this is a progress. Day 1 you can do this one, day 2 you can do this one, so that at least you have that knowledge. So you can see there's a lot of timber that has been installed here. Sorry. You can see, you can show them, let's say the kind of you can even come upward, so that you can give them a very nice tour. You can give them a nice tour. So you can show them upwards, so that they can see the kind of work that we have done. So that is now the kind, whenever we tell you that this house, it will cost you, let's say 4 million, 5 million, this is the kind of work that the material and the work that we always do. Some of them, we always tell them this house, it will take 4 million, and then they start complaining, oh, we are too expensive. But you can see the kind of work. Imagine this only roof work have take almost a whopping amount of almost like not less than 500,000 plus minus labor. So imagine if you include labor, this thing it can be almost to 600,000 there. So this is the kind of work that we always do. We have always imagine we have installed this our king post. As you can see, there 3, 1, 2, 3. so that to have to anchor our roof to be so well to be so well in terms of providing the strength on this particular house. So I think I will end my video there, so that if you're let's say if you're watching up to this particular video for the first up to that particular end, kindly subscribe. The YouTube analysis it has shown me that most of my viewers, they only watch my video and they don't subscribe. So kindly subscribe. We'll let that ad play up to the end, and then you can see that video, because that ad is the one that gives us the revenue. We collect the revenue from there, so that it can we can use it from navigating here and there for logistic when it comes to whenever maybe you call us and then you tell us, can you come on this particular site? We give out quotation minus taking any kind of penny. This is the kind of money we always use to maneuver each and every time whenever you provide the quotation. So I think up to there, make sure guys you have subscribed. I want to reach by the end of this year almost 5,000, and I know you have that capability to get me out of this. I think it's almost 2,300 or 2,400. I want to get out of this particular 2,000. I want to reach 5,000 at the end of this particular year, and then you are the one who will have that power to take me to up to that 5,000 subscriber. If I will garner, let's say like 5,000 subscriber, I'm going to give you a very good surprise, so that you can see the way you are committed. Even if we reach 5,000 subscriber, so many people will be having this particular content, so that you can have will be having this particular content kind of content to help them to build their dream home every time. So I think I'll stop there. I've given out my number. It's called Gary Tech Designer. My YouTube page is called Gary Tech. TikTok is Gary Tech. Facebook is called Gary Tech. Go there, follow, like, share, and comment anything that you feel it will be helpful. Or even if you criticize us, no problem. We'll have to take it on a positive way, so that we can work on it. Maybe if it has some impact, we can change it, or because everywhere human, there's no one is 100% perfect. So let's meet tomorrow, God willing.